Ever wonder what happens to your money when the economy goes haywire? Let's talk about keeping your cash safe when things get rocky. Picture this: the stock market's tumbling, banks are looking shaky, and everyone's panicking. First up, let's chat about diversification. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different assets, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, you reduce the risk of losing it all. Imagine it as building a financial fortress, each asset a stronghold against economic chaos. Then, there's having a rainy day fund. Yup, just cold, hard cash that's easily accessible. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses tucked away in a high-yield savings account. It's like your financial life vest during turbulent times. But what about precious metals? Gold and silver often hold their value when everything else seems to be losing it. Historically, when currencies fluctuate, these metals remain steady. It's worth considering a portion of your portfolio as a hedge against uncertainty. Want to feel financially secure even when the markets crash? Stick around, we're just getting started. Now let's add a little more shine to that talk of precious metals. Gold and silver aren't just shiny objects, they're tangible assets that have been trusted for centuries. When currency values drop, gold often spikes, making it a solid portion of a crisis-proof portfolio. It's like having a secret weapon ready for action. Not to mention, there's something undeniably reassuring about holding a piece of your wealth. Shifting gears, think about your debt situation. In a financial downturn, high debt levels can become a significant burden. Cutting down on existing debt can be a lifesaver. Consider refinancing for better rates while times are relatively stable. It's like weatherproofing your finances against stormy skies. But what about investment in commodities other than metals, like oil or agricultural products? These often behave differently than traditional investments, making them intriguing options for those wanting varied exposure and some added stability to their portfolio. Of course, do your homework. Understanding commodity markets can require a bit more effort, but it's a worthy endeavor. Here's the kicker. Protecting your assets during a crash isn't just about where you put your money, but also about staying informed and prepared. Empowering yourself with knowledge makes you resilient, ready to face financial storms head-on and emerge even stronger. Ready for the next steps? Let's dive deeper. All right, so now that we're feeling empowered and fortified, let's touch on something crucial: staying informed. Knowledge is truly power, especially when it comes to protecting your wealth. Being aware of economic indicators, such as interest rates, inflation trends, and employment statistics, can offer clues about impending shifts. Think of it as your financial radar system, helping you navigate through the stormy economic seas. Now, another layer to consider is insurance. Yep, it might not be as exciting as gold, but having adequate insurance coverage is essential. Life, health, and even unemployment insurance serve as safety nets, ensuring that unexpected life events don't completely derail your finances. You wouldn't sail without a life jacket, right? Furthermore, don't underestimate the power of expert advice. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide tailored strategies that fit your unique situation. They can see potential blind spots and prepare you to weather downturns effectively. It's like having a seasoned captain guiding your ship through rough waters. But it's not all about mitigating risks. It's about positioning yourself for opportunities. Economic downturns can present unique investment opportunities for those who are prepared. During a crash, prices fall, but value doesn't necessarily disappear. Being ready to capitalize on these chances can turn downturns into avenues for growth, making your money work for you, even in tough times. Still with me? Let's keep pushing forward and uncover even more strategies. Let's delve into those hidden opportunities during downturns. When the economy slumps, assets like stocks and real estate often become more affordable. Savvy investors see this as a chance to buy into solid companies at a discount, potentially setting the stage for future gains when the market rebounds. Think of it as getting high-quality items during a clearance sale. You're essentially buying the same value at a reduced price. And let's not forget about dividend stocks. These are companies that regularly distribute part of their earnings to shareholders. During an economic dip, they can still provide a steady income stream, akin to having a reliable paycheck. If you reinvest these dividends, They also offer compound growth over time, enhancing your portfolio's resilience. But what about reinforcing your skill set? In downturns, investing in yourself can be your best bet. Consider learning new skills or advancing your education. Whether it's a new language, coding, or financial literacy, growing your skill set can lead to better job stability and potentially higher income. It's like upgrading your toolkit for whatever curveball life throws your way. Let's not overlook the community angle either. Building networks within financial and professional circles can provide insights and support. In times of financial strain, these connections can be invaluable, offering advice, partnership opportunities, or even referrals. The ultimate aim is not just to safeguard your wealth, but to emerge from financial crashes more robust and diversified. So keep your eyes peeled and your mind open, because every economic challenge hides an opportunity. Ready to see what you can achieve next? Let's wrap up. We've explored diversification, the security of precious metals, staying informed, managing debt, and spotting opportunities during downturns. Remember, it's not just about surviving a financial crash, but thriving through it by seizing opportunities and reinforcing your financial fortress. Now here's your action plan. Start implementing even one of these strategies today and watch how it impacts your financial security. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more insights. And don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share it with anyone else who might find it useful. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's make it happen. See you next time.